Tonight I have for you Render Me Heartless, and this is by Bare Naked Baths, and this is my favorite bath bomb from her. I have ordered it several times, although I have not ordered from Bare Naked Baths recently for a while because the squeaky wheel gets the grease, I'm embarrassed to say, and she unfortunately fell off my feed on Instagram, so I just stopped seeing her, and so sorry, but it was a sort of out of sight, out of mind type thing. I actually thought at one point that she may have closed down her shop, but look at all the sparkle on this. This is my favorite bath bomb from hers, not only for the beautiful sparkle and the beautiful bath bomb, but because the scent is magnificent. Look at the shimmer just on my hands. All right. This is just freaking awesome. Just watching the shimmer just fall off of it. It's one of the things I loved about it, besides the fact that it's freaking beautiful and gory at the same time. It's just, look at that. I'm quiet because I'm enjoying this, and I may be quiet for the rest of the video. I don't know. I do like to talk, but this is just stunning to look at. Another thing I'll say about her bath bombs is when I get out of the tub, I smell amazing for hours. So the scent in her bath bombs are long-lasting scents on your skin, which I love. Though I would not like to smell like popcorn for hours for those popcorn smelling bath bombs, but this type of stuff that she makes, for sure. And I actually a couple years back asked her to make me, she does like body sprays and stuff. She did a body spray in Render Me Heartless, and I used that thing up. So this is more of a fizzer than a regular foamy bath bomb. And I don't mind it at all because this just, again, is one of my favorites from her. The shimmer falling off of it. Yours looks like a yellowish embed coming out of there. This is fizzing so quickly that I don't even want to spin it or anything because it's just not, there's not going to be any use for that. But I'm going to smell delicious tonight. It's like more like a perfumey scent, like a really pretty perfumey scent versus like as I almost said, the vegetable. I'm sure there are vegetable scented ones, fruit scented or floral scented. This might be a mix of a bunch of florals, but it just smells like some perfume that you could find, which is why I asked for a body spray, some perfume you could find at the store. Literally just took this out of the box a few minutes ago, and I opened up the box and did the unboxing all quickly on my bed because I knew I was going to want to use this one immediately. Guys, I'm just sitting here quietly, just looking at the shimmer drop into the water. I'm not saying a thing. I'm gonna go ahead and let this go so I can see the shimmer. Look at that. That's so much fun to watch. Look at that. See if I can brush this. It's kind of hard. Probably because I hit the end bit really quickly. All right. I'm sure you guys have been seeing the water as the bath bomb has fizzed away, but let's take a look at the shimmer in the water. I really wish my camera would tell the story, because this is the most beautiful red water, and then as I get closer you can see it filled with gold shimmer, which is so freaking complementary of one another, just like red and gold. It's just beautiful. And I'm about to get in and enjoy this, and I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna be smelling beautiful. That's what's gonna happen. Alright guys, that's it for Bare Naked Baths and Bare Naked Bath and Render Me Heartless. Talk to you guys on the next one.